6 ways to improve your credit score. It's no secret that having a good credit score is important. It can mean the difference between getting approved for a loan or not. But what if your credit score could use some improvement? Here are some tips on how to improve your credit score, so you can get on the path to financial success. Check your credit report. One of the most important things you can do is to regularly check your credit report for inaccuracies. Even if you have a good credit score, error-free credit reports are important to maintain. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus every 12 months. Simply go to annualcreditreport.com and request your report. Once you have your report, review it carefully to identify any errors. If you find any incorrect information, dispute the item with the credit bureau. This process can be time-consuming, but it's worth it. Pay your bills on time. One of the most important things you can do to improve your credit score is to pay your bills on time. This includes both big things like your mortgage or car loan, as well as smaller items like your credit card bill or utilities. Late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, and they can have a major impact on your score. That's why it's important to make sure that you're always paid up and on time. If you're struggling to keep up with your payments, there are a number of options available to help you get back on track. You can work with your creditors to set up a payment plan, or you may be able to negotiate a lower interest rate. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization is one of the biggest factors that affect your credit score. Simply put, it's the percentage of your available credit you're using at any given time. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit and you're carrying a balance of $500, your credit utilization is 50%. It's important to keep your utilization low for 2 reasons. First, it shows lenders that you are not relying too heavily on credit, and that you're capable of managing your debt responsibly. Second, it leaves room for emergencies without damaging your credit score. As a general rule, experts recommend keeping your utilization below 30%. However, the lower your utilization is, the better it will be for your credit score. If you can keep it below 10%, that's even better. Don't apply for too many credit cards. Applying for too many credit cards can also have a negative impact on your credit score. So try to be selective about which ones you apply for. It's generally a better idea to wait until you really need a credit card before applying, since that will show creditors that you're not in need of credit. Get a cosigner. One way to improve your credit score is to cosign for a loan with someone who has good credit. When you cosign, you agree to be equally responsible for the loan as the primary borrower. The lender will report the loan to the credit bureaus, which will help to improve your credit score. The key, however, is to make sure that you make all of the payments on time. If you do fall behind, the late payments will likely be reported on your credit report, which could offset any positive impact from cosigning. Therefore, before you cosign for a loan, be sure that you are prepared to make all of the payments on time and in full. Consider a credit counseling service. If you're struggling to improve your credit score on your own, you may want to consider hiring a credit counseling service. These services can help you learn about how to improve your credit score and manage your finances effectively. By following these tips, you can work toward having a good credit history and a high credit score. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.